Technology and its rate of change are moving faster than ever. Every business today is being challenged to rethink how it stays relevant and competitive in a drastically evolving technology landscape. And central to this conversation is artificial intelligence. But let's be honest, AI can feel overwhelming. For many, it sparks excitement, and for others, a sense of uncertainty or even fear. At MIP, we see AI differently. We don't believe it's here to replace people, we believe it's here to empower them, to enhance human creativity, strengthen decision-making, and create more meaningful customer engagement. This is the future we're building into our customer engagement platform. AI not as a substitute for human intelligence, but as a powerful partner that helps businesses do more, faster, and smarter. AI is not about replacing humans, it's about unlocking their full potential. MIP has embedded AI within its customer engagement platform to take care of the mundane, repetitive tasks and administrative actions that don't need human intervention. By doing so, we give valuable time back to your sales, service, and claim agents, empowering them to solve complex challenges and engage more meaningfully with the people they serve, your customers. In this video, we will walk you through 5 use cases that demonstrate how we have incorporated AI into our solution and the potential impact it has on your operations. In today's fast-paced business world, documents are more than just paper or digital files. They form the backbone of communication, transactions, and decision-making. Whether it's contracts, invoices, or customer requests, businesses rely on efficient document processing to stay competitive. This video explores how AI can transform the way companies handle incoming documents, automatically extracting key information to streamline workflows, save time, and enhance accuracy. Before we try and extract data from documents, we first need a description of it. Understanding a document structure is crucial in order to improve accuracy when extracting data from it. A schema is a data structure that describes a document. Let's look at how to define such a schema. We'll briefly show you how our AI agent can help in the process of defining a document schema. To start, let's retrieve a document using a reference. The document shown here is a medical invoice. The AI agent is the wizard I am asking to assist in extracting the relevant field and table definitions from the document automatically. Once the analysis is complete, I can apply the changes. You'll see the fields and tables appear in the background. After reviewing, I can save the schema. Once we have our document schema, we are ready to start extracting data from it. Here too, we leverage the power of AI. Agentic AI agents make use of the document schema to extract and validate data from the documents. It has the ability to call out to a system of records to supplement or verify any extracted data. If it is not happy with the results, the document is passed to a human to verify. Extracted data can now be mapped before it is provided to the business to process. For certain types of call center interactions, it may be crucial for an agent to adhere to a predetermined script. Analyzing hundreds to thousands of calls a day to determine compliance can be a time-consuming endeavor. In this short demo, let's see how our system can assist with this task. Our example sees a call center agent taking a call from a potential customer and capturing the details on the system.
Good afternoon, sir. Thank you for choosing Example Insurance. To get your life cover application started, I'll need to confirm a few personal details. This will only take a few minutes. Is now a good time? Yes. Great, thank you. Please note that this call is recorded for quality and compliance purposes, and your information will be kept strictly confidential. Let's begin.
Once this has been done, we complete the call, and the telephony system will save the call recording. Automated system process ensures the recording is transcribed through OpenAI's Whisper automatic speech recognition system. After the transcription, the agent's dialogue is compared to the original script, and a matching percentage is calculated and returned to the system. Details around the matching percentage calculation is stored in the system to see how it was derived. This can then be used to assess agents en masse and determine whether further training is required. Let's have a quick look at performing a customer sentiment analysis. In this short clip, you will see a customer complete a sentiment analysis questionnaire. This will then be summarized and classified by an AI agent and the results stored within the customer engagement platform. To showcase integration capabilities, we have decided to send out the questionnaire as a Google form, but other technologies are also supported. The first step is to send the customer an email with a link to our questionnaire. By looking at the timeline, we can see that the feedback form email has been sent out. The customer then accesses the survey from their mailbox. Notice that the case number has automatically been populated to tie it back to the customer engagement platform. It is important to note that the survey can be configured however you choose. Let's have a quick look at the survey being completed. What was your call about? How was your interaction handled? How many times did you connect with the team to resolve your question? What was the complaint about? If you raised a complaint, tell us, how can we resolve it quicker? If you called to give a compliment, what was it about? How likely are you to recommend our product? Now that the survey has been completed, let's refresh the timeline and look at the sentiment analysis that has been received by the customer engagement platform. Note that the questions and answers have been recorded as entered on the survey, and the actual sentiment positive, in this case recorded next to the summary. Customer called once regarding incorrect membership information, issue resolved quickly, leading to a positive experience 4 out of 5 recommendation. Improvements suggested, better data capture to prevent similar issues. For those who are interested, tying together the Google Forms survey and Google's Gemini AI chat model to do the sentiment analysis and summary was done using an external process automation tool called N8N, referred to as Nodemation.
We are really excited to introduce you to something we call AI Meets Data. That is a powerful and approachable way to get real answers from complex data using just plain language. In today's demo, we will be showcasing a smart chat-based experience that combines workflow automation with a locally running AI model. The goal is simple. It is how to show anyone, even without knowing how to write code or SQL, can ask big data questions and get instant and accurate answers straight from the real database. This setup is very useful in environments where fast data-driven decisions matter, whether it's tracking performance, reviewing trends, or exploring large datasets on the fly. Let's jump in with a few simple questions to see how the AI works. In this first part of the demo, we are asking real-world questions and letting AI do the heavy lifting. The first question is, who is the emergency contact of Amahle Zulu? The AI responds right away, Sipho Zulu. Behind that quick answer, you'll notice a short thinking section. This shows the AI reasoning through the request and figuring out the exact SQL it needs to run. By the way, this SQL can be very useful in troubleshooting situations. The second question is, where does Lerato Mokoena live and what's their email? Again, It works through the question step by step, showing its thought process before returning the results, just like a real analyst would. Now we have warmed up the AI. Let's move on to more complex questions. Now we want to know what is Sipho Ndlovu diagnosed with, and the AI responds. To get this, the AI linked together 3 tables: patients, admissions, and diagnosis. It also showed its full thinking process, mapping out how it searched and built the SQL query behind the scenes. Then we asked another question about Jennifer Lee, and yet again it provided responses. The AI looked her up in the doctor's table, checked her specialty, and reasoned through whether it fits the situation, all explained clearly in its thought process. So how does all of this actually work behind the scenes? Well, we built this workflow using N8N, which is an automation platform, and connected it with Ollama to handle the natural language processing. Another point worth mentioning is everything runs on a completely self-hosted server. No internet required, which means your data stays private, secure, and inaccessible to the outside world.
In today's fast-paced and busy world, convenience is key. Smoothing out the process of gathering data and offering customers solutions that suit their preferences and needs are key. Our omni-channel AI-powered solution offers customers the ability to conveniently gather data in a variety of ways, including WhatsApp, Telegram, web chat, etc. In this example, our AI solution guides a customer to complete a questionnaire using a web chat. Note how the AI records the answers in the questionnaire on the back end. Should the customer ever decide to request a representative to assist them with the questionnaire, the representative will have full access to the up-to-date questionnaire to finalize the process. Customer satisfaction and automated follow-through convenience all in one, keeping the customer and the customer relationship management personal in sync all the time.